this is some of
These are
these are my gifts that
I received
I received from my birthday. Let's open this one.
from Macy. I'll read it. I'll help you read it.
Payon.
Macy?
I don't know why this little.
Trevor! That's from Trevor. So, this is his last name. That's from Trevor.
Oh, so cool. My own headset.
See? Open it properly. Okay, it's a...
Headset. A
Yeah.
kitty headset. It's my first time. My headset is only like this. Next gift.
Oh, let's just say thank you to Trevor.
Thank you, Trevor. Next. This gift.
Wait lang.
This gift. To Erala from Kuya Sean and Ate Sophie. Ah, wait.
Ito, Macy, Macy.
So cool.
Okay.
Ba't di sumama si Lola Grace that time?
She's in Japan daw.
Bakit?
Po.
Bakit po?
Travel.
Oh, Barbie! Ay, di pala Barbie. Oh, I can make my own bracelet!
Wow.
That's it! I got headset from
A
Ate
bracelet.
Sophie. This is from Trevor headset.
A DIY bracelet.
Next.
Nice. Wait lang. I'll say thank you first.
Thank you. Next, this gift.
Mm-mm.
Later na lang yung mga this so big. I can't even paano ko lalabas? Ah! You happy? Nakatulala. Saan? So let's open this first. From
Okay.
I forgot. Basta.
What's the name?
From Ninang Negra. From Tita Negra. What's
Okay.
this? Kuromi Squishy.
Wow, so nice. Macy.
There's three.
There are three.
There are. What is
Oh,
that?
it's so nice. Kuromi.
Here. Oh, I like this.
See?
Makuha.
Cute ng mga Kuromi, oh.
Ito, oh,
Oh.
lagayan siya.
Hindi mo ma-open.
Ah, ang bigat. Ah! Ah! Sakit. Sakit ng braso ko. Okay,
Yan,
let's
from whom is that?
wait. This one first. I got a
No, look for the name first. Naku, nawala yung
Ah!
gift
Ah!
tag.
Ah! Ah!
What's that?
Kuromi head dito.
Ah, okay. Yung
Okay,
Kuromi.
this one is Tuerala.
Puro Kuromi, ah. Usus Kuromi.
Tuerala, happy 7th birthday from Nina San.
Diba, Messi? Ninang Zan. Ah, okay. It's from our Ninang.
Oh, so cute!
Careful naman kung masirahan yung paper bag. Pare-recycle pa natin.
Crayola!
Wow, it's so nice. It will be very useful for Rena
No!
school.
One
Powdered
more!
paper.
One more!
Okay.
There's another one. This!
Wow, pad paper, mga school
Oh,
supplies.
ruler!
Nagagamit niya sa school.
Then I have
Wow, nice naman ng
glue
ruler.
stick!
Okay, a glue stick.
And pencil!
And pencils. Yay! Hindi na kami bibili ng pencils.
Buti na lang, may nagbigay sa
Okay, wait.
I like to open this.
Wait lang, I'm gonna have break. And then we'll go to the second video.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you ko muna doon sa mga una mong na-open na gifts. Say thank you.
Everybody.